HVC was designed using a dynamic database structure. In the software and database development world, there are two types of structures, static and dynamic. Static databases are those with limited fields. Once created, the user cannot change the structure of it. Static databases are good for things like payment processing, email lists, business directories, mailing databases, anything with a rigid structure. If HVC were a static database, your conference would be restricted to the confines of the programming. This would be both the database fields and the look. Dynamic databases allow unlimited fields. It gives you, the conference and trade show organizer, freedom to change the structure of the database. HVC was designed by convention organizers for convention organizers. This structure is ideal for conferences with special needs or requirements. It is very versatile. This design allows your delegates with specific criteria to meet each other. Here are some simple examples. An interesting trade show organizer customizing an HVC conference adds these fields for their registration. They are name, company, address, city, state, zip, telephone and email. But they also want to add planet living on. The software adds the fields and the drop-down. The system also lets delegates at that virtual conference also search for other delegates living on other planets. Here's another example. Imagine a virtual convention for tyre manufacturers. The conference organizer knows the tyre industry all too well and understands his customers best. For each registrant, he wants to add the following fields: tyre width, tread, wire count. HVC allows for these very specific items to be listed to make a more effective virtual event. And another example, a job fair for employers as exhibitors and potential employees as delegates. The employee's profile includes education, previous work experience, company name, GPA, etc. The exhibitor or employer can search the employees and immediately interview. The exhibitors, in this case employers, would have the ability to add more pages and sections about their company and each of the job positions they're looking to fill. In the HVC platform, we've provided a default database design to get you started. The important thing to remember is that your delegates want to meet each other. We've made it so they can search for others not just by name, but by the fields and categories you add. We expanded the dynamic structure with a design editor. This allows you to change the total look and feel for your event as well. Not just your logo will be on the site, but you can select the backgrounds and colours of the text and navigation buttons. As we continually develop new applications for the HVC platform, the majority will be implemented in a dynamic format, allowing you to do even more. Your brand, your design, your rules, your conference. Get hyper with HVC.